Hi, I'm Tony Mackenzie, and I'm the author of the Amazon bestseller Your Flight to Happiness, a 7-step journey to emotional freedom. It has over 60 5-star reviews on Amazon UK, and so if you're interested, please pop over, have a read of some of those reviews, and you can also look inside. Now, in addition to writing my book, I'm also in the process of completing a new program called Learning to Fly Solo. It's kind of based on the principles of my book, but specifically aimed at recently divorced women, 40 plus, who are struggling to move forward, who are filled with self-doubts, insecurities, worries, fears, and it's to help them go within, discover that inner strength that we all have, often buried deep inside of us, and to build their confidence and rebuild their lives. And in advance of the launch of my program, I've just created a Facebook group for that group of women, and it's also called Learning to Fly Solo. So if you or anyone you know are interested, please do check it out and come and join me there, and I hope to see you there soon. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.